Hi everyone! In this video we will discuss about the difference between T-part, closure, full lace, frontal and 360 wigs. When buying human hair wigs, there are terms that you will come across. You should get familiar with them first and then know the difference so you do not appear a novice. T-part. A T-part wig is one designed in a T shape. The wig is placed on the head at the portion where the hair parts and the front part of the hair go along the face, forming the letter T, hence named T-part. Size is one of the features of a wig that can't be neglected. Even though you are aware of the technicalities and structures of the wig, you must be familiar with the correct size. Following the correct measurement according to your head size is overwhelming, but it has a lot more to do with the capability of a wig. The texture of a wig counts. Amazingly, the T-lace wig contains a natural hairline in front of the T-section. Moreover, the T-part lace wigs are Remy or virgin human hair, so they are easy to style. You can also manage the wig like your own hair by washing, drying, and coloring it. Light in weight on pocket and head as well. The wigs containing native hair are soft, flexible, and comfortable to wear for long. Moreover, these are easy to use. All you need is to get your hands on a quality wig, cut off the extra lace edge, and comb naturally. The whole process only takes a few minutes, and it is pretty easy for beginners. Lace closure. Lace closures are used for wigs these days. Almost no one opts for the usual sew-in method to close wigs anymore. Closures are ready-made hairpieces that are fixed to create a natural parting of the hair. Closures create the illusion that the hair is growing out of your natural scalp. Closures are either lace or silk-based. Lace closures create the most natural look. Closures can also be categorized based on styling. There's the free part closure, middle part closure, and three-part closure. Full lace wig. A full lace wig is made entirely of lace with individual hair strands looped in. No wig cap, it's the lace material all through. Usually, this lace material matches your scalp, so you can insert a part anywhere on your wig. Full lace wigs are so versatile that they can be styled into braids or cornrows. Frontals. A frontal is like a wider closure. It's a ready-made hairpiece fixed from ear to ear such that there's a natural parting wherever you part it in front. They are more expensive than closures but are more versatile. They also look more natural as long as they are properly installed. A human hair wig made with frontal is called a lace front wig. 360 lace wig. This is a type of closure that, as the name implies, runs through the entire hairline, like 360 degrees. The wig cap covers only a small part in the middle of the wig, everything else is made of lace closure. It's the most versatile type of wig, offering the user the opportunity to part the hair anywhere at all and style it in various ways. It is very nice for ponytails, leaving beautiful edges everywhere, even for the back hair. If you wish to wear such hair extensions, check out Ah Hair International. We have a wide collection of 100% pure Indian hair extensions.